Stuckey with Stuckey Tools. Today we're going to talk about our new hole straightening pliers. We designed these pliers kind of vice grip style, so for traveling or for certain times when you need to manipulate metal, you'll lock it. Most time when you want to use it, you want to go a little past lock so that it'll spring back open. We designed this to fit the smaller holes like on the hood clips of Mazda and Chrysler or Dodge products. This fits right in, and then you squeeze it and work your way around. You can also clamp it and kind of manipulate the hole when you really get your tools in there and wear them out. You can find them online at stuckeytools.com or we have many distributors, Anson, A1, Bancraft. Thanks Chris for letting me on Dentless Touch. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook at Stuckey Tools.